back like I never left. Hey guys, it's Blackney. Welcome back. Hey guys, it's Blackney. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Please click the subscribe button, share my videos, like my videos, comment. I love you guys so much. Sorry I've been away for too long. I'm back. I'm here to stay. Okay, so moving forward, I've already done my foundation, and then foundation using V Beauty foundation in the shade Warm Nude, and then V Javal. V Javal is the darkest shade, so I really don't have my shade. As you can see, I'm light. I'm light skinned, so I had to mix those two foundations. So guys, let's just move on. Stay tuned. This is Elegant Pro Concealer. This medium bed, yeah, I think I'm pronouncing it very well. So this is basically too light for me, as you all can see, but I'm just using it to set, yeah, let me not lie, I use almond, and almond is almond, yeah, it's almost finished, so I'm trying to minimize. But there's nothing I cannot do, so I'm done lighting. I'm going in with my V Javal. V Javal is the darkest shade, so I'm mixing it with Warm Nude. Guys, the S mask was something else. Like, they said no boyfriend, no problem. Am I dead? I miss having a boyfriend, child. I miss it. Okay, so I mixed the V Java foundation and then Warm Nude. So I really don't want the very dark, yeah, the very dark one. That's why I mixed it this way. And if you're wondering why I'm making my video, babies, I thought I said I have my studio. Oh, I didn't say that. Well, guys, this baby has, I have my studio. So I'm mixing this because I really don't want the very dark contour, like I said. And then, to me, I think this is perfect. This is perfect. Yeah. So I'll do the same thing here. So everything blends in properly. I'm using my S-Bond. You can still go check out my S-Bond review videos. That video is really doing well. Really doing well. So you just pour out a little here, then set it. Set it. So moving on, next thing I do is blush, liquid blush, and then Okay, let me just show you what it looks like. This is what the blush looks like, but really it's not blush. It's my mini lipstick palette. So I think I'll be using this shade here. So guys, don't tell me nobody misses me. No one missed me. I miss you all so much, so much. I was busy setting up my studio, and then you know I love money, huh? You guys know I love money, huh? But I love you guys too. I love you guys more than money. Okay, so that is it for the blush. So proceeding, I just have to my eyebrows. So let's dive into the process. You brush your eyebrows. Brush. My brows are actually fine. Don't think I have to leave it this way and continue the video. Someone will just swear for me. Okay. So the eye pencil I'm using is Wood. The name of the eye pencil is Wood. Yeah, Wood pencil. It's called Wood eyeliner pencil. Okay, so then moving forward, just draw strokes. A stroke. Okay guys. This is coming out so nice. Should I leave it this way or should I do this? Okay. So if you subscribe, my WhatsApp number will pop up and you add me up on WhatsApp. So let me just conceal my brows. Like I said, it's nothing serious, it's just me concealing just the down part of my brows, and that's all. Okay, if I'm done with this part of the brows, I'll just switch to the other. I'll do that off camera so I can actually round up the video properly, like really quick, because I am ready for my babies. Really ready. 100% ready. I am ready to stop with you guys. I'm here. I'm going nowhere. Okay, this is it for my brows. This is it. So guys, I'm done with my brows as you can see. So moving on, I'm using the V Beauty powder and the shade beige. It's BIANCA. So guys, I use that to align under my brows. This is too much, but yeah. So as you can see, you can check out the difference yourself. Okay. So as for me, I really don't want anything like no eyeshadow, so I'm gonna use this I'm going to use this in the shade dark chocolate. Yes, dark chocolate. That's what I'm using. I'm going to use dark chocolate too. Okay. So I'm basically not doing anything here. Just use dark chocolate then. Yeah. So no eyeshadow primer, but I have applied the Elegant Pro concealer here. So okay, so moving on. I have to be real quick. I'm applying the V Beauty powder in the shade dark chocolate and then maroon. So it's this and this. So dark chocolate and maroon. Well, I'm still gonna use the dark chocolate. Yeah, dark chocolate too. I'm still going to use the maroon rather to contour. Yeah. They just have the pointed nose. Okay. So to blend out the S-pon, or to blend in the S-pon, I'm going in with chocolate. Going in with this shade. I hope it comes out well. I'm blending my S-pon with that. Lighter than this. So I'm going in with my blush. Yep. With the two shades down, this and this. You need to be real quick with this. Guys, just be patient. I know you are mixing it. Mix this to this. The other how to mix. Okay. So this is Beauty Line by Didi Brow Gel. Yeah. So this is the brow gel. To give my brows the flawless look. So you all take a good look at my brows first of all. So brush and brush it. So you can as well look the other side of my brows, the left side of my brows, so at least you can be able to differentiate using the Beauty Line by Didi Brow Gel and not using it what it looks like. So this is done this and I'm doing this. It's time to apply bronzer in the right places. So the two I'm using, I've not tried those two before. but it's always the first time, so I need to check them out. This is actually a concealer. Camera, the lip, I'll conceal the lip and fix my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back to show you guys what I got. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, thanks for watching my video to this point. I love you all so much. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much. Hey guys, it's Black Corny. Welcome back. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.